Hey everybody, Dan Morse again with the Athletic Coordinator's Office with a little special tip here on how to batch upload students to your database. Okay, this will take um, students from a spreadsheet and upload them directly into the Our School Today program. So it will make it a lot easier for you guys to enter rosters online. Okay. So from our main screen, we're going to use Pine Plains because they just did it and it worked great. You're going to go to Student Eligibility and Information. Okay, from this area here, as you can see, these are all the kids that they've imported. Okay, Options and Setup. Batch import students into the database. I'm going to click Edit. Okay, here's where it gets a little tricky, but I want to make sure that everybody gets to see this. This is where you can export your data from Family ID or any other software that you're using, the database of students. Okay, so a sample file that's been that they shared with us on Our School. You can view this on your end as well. Trying to fit it in the box, guys. Sorry. Okay, so if you notice, the top is the column, and there's a listing here of what each column is labeled in your spreadsheet or your CSV file that you've exported to a spreadsheet. Okay, so what we're going to do is we are going to field map, is what it's called, information from this spreadsheet into these areas here. Okay, so let's say you want to import the information of last name, first name, student ID, whatever else you wanted to have in there. Okay, let's say date of birth. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this screen here, and if you want student ID is column A. First name, column C. Last name, column B. Let's say date of birth, column E. What else are we going to have here? Let's say grade. Let's say grade would be column H. And if you wanted to do all this other stuff, you guys can. You don't have to. Okay. Once you've done that, you're going to choose the file, which would be whatever you name the CSV file or the Excel spreadsheet that you get from your coaches that's typed up. And this will, when you go down to the bottom, let me bring it up a little. There we go. And you're going to hit continue. Obviously, we don't have a data file selected, but you're going to click continue. And as you go through these steps, you're going to essentially take the information from whichever registration you're using right now, which probably is Family ID, download your CSV file, save it as a spreadsheet, and batch upload using the import of students. And that's going to make your registration process, if you're not using the Our School Today, but it will help your coaches with their rosters. It will help immensely. Okay? If you have any problems or questions, please give us a call. Hopefully this little fancy video will help you guys get stuff updated. Thank you guys. Have a great day.